Unlocking Passive Income Streams in 2025, your ultimate guide. What's going on, everyone? It's Skill Hub, and let's talk about building wealth. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the best strategies for making money online and achieving financial freedom. Now, you guys know I'm all about that hustle, but what if I told you there's a way to earn even while you sleep? We're diving deep into the world of passive income. By the end of this video, you'll know why passive income is crucial and how you can start building it today, even if you're starting from scratch. All right, let's get right into it. The year is 2025, and the opportunities for passive income are hotter than ever. First up, we've got digital products. Creating and selling ebooks, online courses, or templates is a fantastic way to package your knowledge or skills and sell them on autopilot. Next, we've got affiliate marketing. Recommend products or services you love and earn a commission on every sale you drive. And of course, we can't forget about YouTube automation. By creating evergreen content, optimizing for search, and building a community, you can earn passive income from ads, sponsorships, and even your own merchandise. The best part? You don't even need to be on camera to make it work. Find the right niche, build a loyal audience, and watch the commissions roll in. Now, I know what you're thinking, Graham, this all sounds great, but where do I even start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. If you're a writer, Amazon KDP is your new best friend. Self-publish your ebooks and paperbacks and tap into a massive global audience. More of a creative type? Etsy is where it's at. Sell your handmade crafts, vintage finds, or digital designs. Ready to share your knowledge? Platforms like Teachable and Gumroad make it easy to create and sell online courses. From cooking to coding to photography, there's an audience for everything. Chapter 3. Starting Passive Income Streams. You've got the ideas, you know the platforms, but how do you actually get started without breaking the bank? The beauty of passive income is that you don't need a ton of capital to get going. Identify your strengths and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Create high-quality content or products that provide real value to your audience. Remember, consistency is key. Building a passive income stream takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Start small, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to experiment and adapt along the way. Chapter 4. Success Stories. Is this stuff for real? Yes! I've seen it firsthand, and I've heard countless stories of people from all walks of life who have used these strategies to build life-changing income streams. Take Name, a single mom who was struggling to make ends meet. She had a passion for photography and decided to sell her photos online as stock images. Now, she's earning a full-time income from her photography. Or Name, a college student who started a YouTube channel reviewing gadgets. Now, his channel has over 1 million subscribers, and he's earning more from his videos than he ever could have imagined. These are just a couple of examples, but the point is, it's totally doable. With the right mindset, strategy, and work ethic, you can achieve incredible things with passive income. Chapter 5. Visuals and Media. Showcase visuals throughout the video, including screenshots of popular passive income platforms, examples of successful digital products, and graphs illustrating potential earnings. Include inspiring images of people working remotely and enjoying the benefits of financial freedom. Outro. Start building your passive income empire today. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it valuable and are feeling pumped to start building your own passive income streams. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach, and with the strategies we discussed today, you're well on your way to achieving your goals. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content on making money online, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep hustling, keep grinding, and I'll see you in the next video.